If you've ever turned on the kitchen light and seen this, you're not alone. Roaches, ants, spiders, mice, they always seem to show up when you least expect them. I was tired of sprays, sticky traps, weird smells, and constantly cleaning up the mess. Then I found this ultrasonic pest repeller. No chemicals, no poison, no complicated setup. Just plug it in and it starts creating an environment pests don't like. That's it. Most people start noticing fewer pests within a few weeks of regular use. Because there are no chemicals, odours or poisons, it's a cleaner solution for everyday home use. It uses only a tiny amount of electricity, less than many small household devices. One pack lets you cover multiple rooms for better protection throughout your home. Less hassle, less maintenance, and a more comfortable living space. Would you try this in your home? Let me know below. Thanks for watching SmartBuyPicks. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget finds.